Right, so today I'll be showing you how to enable wireless emergency alerts on your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. In this video, you'll also learn how to disable them in case you don't want them. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So go to settings. Under settings, scroll down to notifications, tap on that. And then under notifications, go to advanced settings, tap on that, and then scroll down all the way to the bottom of that page and you will see wireless emergency alerts. So tap on that, and this is where you can enable the alerts. So turn that on, and that's going to, by default, enable all kinds of wireless emergency alerts, including extreme threats to life and property, severe threats to life and property, maybe amber alerts. This could be child abduction emergency bulletins and stuff like that. All these alerts will be enabled. Now you can also go ahead and choose whether you want the alerts at full volume, because these are normally emergency alerts. So you can enable that or disable if you want to. And then you can also choose whether you want text to speech to speak the alert message to you as you get that alert. Okay, so you can also go and disable specific emergency alerts if you want to. But if you want to disable all of them, just turn that toggle button at the top off. So that is basically how to do that. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.